Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type symbol in world and first price, second price and third price symbol in world. So this is very easy to type or insert. So first you need to click on insert and this last option symbol. So click on it and click on more symbols. So one screen will be open, so you need to font select this one and then type this character code. So firstly select it and type this character code. So type this character code 1F947. So just type this character code and click on insert. And second one is 1F948. So just type this character code and insert. And this last one 1F949. Now close it. So very easily you can insert or type. If you need to change the color also. So just select it and this font color. So click on drop down and select any color which you like. So this way you can type awards symbol in world and first prize, second prize, third prize symbols in world. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.